Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best false nail tips that are available on the market for their true quality.
Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 5, we have the APRÉS Gel X Almond Nail Tips 280 count. The APRÉS Gel X Almond Tips offer a fresh take on nail extensions with new half sizes like 4.5, 5.5, and 6.5, making it easier for you to find the perfect fit quickly. The tips have a thinner base, so you spend less time filing and prepping, while the thicker edge gives your nails extra strength for lasting wear. Whether you're a pro or doing nails at home, these tips help you get salon-quality results effortlessly. Plus, when paired with Extend Gel, your nail extensions stay beautiful and strong for over 4 weeks, giving you long-lasting, stunning nails. At number 4, we have the Beetles Gel Polish 9-in-1 Nail Glue Gel Kit. The Beetles 9-in-1 Nail Glue offers a versatile formula that combines 9 functions in one, including nail glue, base gel, and decoration sealing. This means you can easily handle multiple nail art tasks with just one product, saving time and effort. It promises long-lasting wear for over 28 days, so you can enjoy strong adhesion without frequent touch-ups. The clear, glass-like finish stays shiny and free from yellowing or bubbles, giving your nails a flawless salon look. Plus, its low-odor, gentle formula is safe for your nails, ensuring a comfortable and pleasant nail care experience every time. At number 3, we have the GELLA Short Almond Fake Nails. GELLA Short almond tips are perfect for DIY nail extensions at home. These professional quality tips are made with innovative, soft jelly material that can be used with nail polish, dip powder, or acrylic powder. The tips have a shallow curve that fits comfortably on your nail bed without feeling tight, and the pre-shaped design eliminates the need for filing. With 12 different sizes, you can easily find the perfect fit for your nails. The tips are also flexible and won't leave any trace or crease, allowing you to easily press, trim, and paint flat false nails to create your dream nail shape. Plus, these tips are long-lasting and can last up to 21 days with the right application process. Overall, GELLA Short Almond Tips are a great way to achieve a salon-quality look at home. At number 2, we have the Modelones Medium Almond Nail Tips. Modelones Medium Almond Nail Tips are pre-shaped, half-frosted, full-cover false nails with a stronger adhesion and no need to file. The half-matte texture design increases friction, and high-quality material makes them breathable, lightweight, and durable. The developed formula nail gel provides break-resistant support for extended nails. Each set includes 500 pieces of 10 different sizes, perfect for every finger. They can be used for gel nail polish, liner gel art, press-on nails, acrylic nails, dip powder nails, and poly nail extension gel, making it perfect for DIY at-home nail art or professional salon use. And finally, at number 1, we have the GELLA Short Square Gel Nail Tips 216 pieces. The GELLA Short Square Tips offer a soft, gel-like texture that leaves no marks, making it easy for you to press, trim, and paint your nails to your desired shape. These tips come in a professional short square design, providing a clear and natural look while working well with nail polish, dip powder, or acrylics. Perfect for achieving a salon-quality finish at home without the high cost. With 12 different sizes, including 2 extra sizes for a perfect fit, you can easily find the right tips for your nails. Plus, these tips are durable and can last over 3 weeks when used correctly, giving you long-lasting, odorless, and safe nail extensions.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.